Hi, my name is Arturo Almeida. I'm the medical director of marllor Biomedical, which is an Italian company founded by Professor Pasquale Motolese, which developed the so well-known product called Aqualix, which is the best fat-dissolving injection in the market currently. The company has basically three products. Aqualix, which is the main one, has been present for 15 years, present in 54 countries, registered in 54 countries, and to date is the most effective fat-dissolving injection available. And I'm so proud to say that I'm the one, my company provides the training, the global training for Aqualix worldwide. Then the other product is called Lydia, which is a class 3 medical device, and is one of the very few devices in the market that is specifically designed to treat cellulite, which is, as you know, a very common problem amongst women, particularly cellulite type 2 and type 1. It's not good for type 3 because it has more advanced disease, but for those types of cellulite, it's just great. This is a Miso Therapy product. It works after a number of sessions, and it's been also in the market for quite a few years. And recently, the company has launched another brand of hyaluronic acid. It's a range called Novella, and they have 3 different hyaluronic acids. And the uniqueness of this range of hyaluronic acid is that it's one, if not the purest hyaluronic acid in the market, because the residual BDD present after injection is less than 8 parts per million. And we have 3 different fillers, depending if you want to revitalize the face, or you want to provide some volume that is lost during the aging process. So as I said, Aqualix first, which is our gold standard, is the best lipolytic product present. Lydia, the best medical device to inject for cellulite, to treat the problems that produce cellulite. And third, Novella as our purest range of hyaluronic acids in the market. So I hope this serves you well, and thank you for listening to this.